Good morning from the homestead. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning on April 2nd, 2025. And behind me you can see my pollen-covered solar panels. They've been laying on the ground since December 21st, about 102 days ago. They are about to hit a milestone today, and I'd like to share it with you. We're going to hit 1 million watts of generated solar power. It's only 1 megawatt in the biz, but it sounds really cool when you say 1 million watts. So stick around for just a second and I'll show you what that looks like.
One million
watts.
Well, that was pretty cool. Let's see if we can get any more solar energy if we can wash off some of this pollen. I installed my system on December 21st, which just so happens to have been the winter solstice, which is also the shortest day of the year. To get the system up, I placed the panels flat on the ground and still got what I considered to be an impressive 12.4 kilowatts of solar power on that first day. As you saw earlier, the panels are still on the ground, but I propped up several to try to increase my output until I can get these things mounted on a proper stand. We just hit the first day of spring last week, and the panels are now putting out 16 kilowatts on a good day. That's about a 30% increase from that first day of operation. I'm still clearing the spot for my new solar mount and hope to have this completed in the next couple of weeks. I should get almost 2 extra hours of direct sun when this has been completed. The panels will also be properly tilted to maximize performance. I'm going to go with a fixed tilt, not an adjustable one. Between this and the summer coming up in 3 months, I'm excited to see what I can get out of these panels. I'm hoping for another 30 to 40% increase over what I'm generating now. Now, with the increased power comes a bit of a problem. I'm currently drawing my batteries down to 40% each night in order to make room for solar the next day. I don't wish to go lower than 40% because the main purpose of my system is to provide power during a power outage. With the extra watts coming soon, I'll have to wire up another circuit or two on my transfer switch. I'm already hitting 100% state of charge on good days and need an outlet for this anticipated extra power. I guess if you're going to have a problem, a good one is better than a bad one. So, what did this million watts of power get me? About $110 off my electric bill at my current winter electrical rates. That's about $30 a month during the lowest solar months of the year. Both my usage and my rates increase in April, so I expect my savings to rise over the next several months. I hope to add some more panels by fall, which would double my solar generation. I'll need some more batteries as well. Thanks for watching my video. If you don't mind, please click like and subscribe. I've got some more videos coming soon, so tick the notification bell as well if you want to know when these are out. These steps help promote the channel on YouTube. If you're looking into purchasing a solar system, I bought mine from Signature Solar with my own money. They've treated me well and are one of the largest vendors out there. If you use my links in the comments below and purchase at least $500 worth of equipment, you'll get $50 off your order. It's free for you to use and helps out here on the channel.